According to this passage, about how many different types of animals have been identified? A. 1,000,000, B. 800,000, C. 10,000, or D. 3,000. In order to answer this question, let's locate its key words, different types of animals, and identified in our text. We find these words in the very first paragraph. Scientists have identified almost 1,000,000 different types of animals. From here, we can see that the answer to our question is A, 1,000,000. If we would like to be cautious, we can locate the other answers in our text and see which context they are mentioned in as well. B, 800,000 is mentioned in the context of insect types, and therefore does not answer our question. C, 10,000 is mentioned in the hypothetical case that you may have seen 10,000 different types of animals. And D, 3,000 is mentioned in the context of different types of mammals. Therefore, we can mark these as incorrect and mark A, 1,000,000, as our final answer.